Back at the spot. Getting a little muddy here, but we're gonna see what we can do with these top waters. See if we can catch a couple. A little chilly there, huh? Yeah, it's a little chilly. A little chilly. There's going to be a time in the season where they're going to start hitting right here.
Yeah, I'm surprised they're not already.
Yeah, there's going to be a time.
This looks like a good spot to bed, but you see the ripples, so I'm guessing this might drop or something. You know what I mean?
Yep. Little guy messing around again, huh? This weather's still acting crazy. I can't. It's only gonna be 70 today.
Ah, it ain't gonna be 70 till like 11.
Yeah. Well, I got service out here. Phone just went off. There's one. He's a decent one. This little guy wants to keep running. Oh yeah, that's a good way to start. That's a good start right there. Oh, calm down, buddy. Come here. Oh yeah, whoa, he's long. Bro. Whoa. That dude. That's all right.
That color on his top of his back.
Yeah, it's a weird color, ain't it?
Light pink.
There it is. Okay, we got our first fish. That's a good keeper. Thick little fella. See you later. Oh, water went down my sleeve and down my side. Ah. That sucks. He hit close on the bank over there. Well, he wasn't playing around. He took it.
Quick, huh?
Yeah. He gulped that.
She might have been up in there getting ready to fan that out.
Yeah, 'cause Shirley didn't have no belly.
Oh, it didn't?
No, not at all.
Male in there fanning.
Yeah, not even a little bit. If that had been a female, that'd have been pretty heavy. He had some length. Oh, he come off.
Dude, he come out of the water.
Before I set the hook. Well, you got a puller. Little guy. Ah, he ain't too bad. Ain't too bad.
Can I catch one?
Can I catch one? Yeah, little guy, we'll take him. He's chunky. See you later, little fella. Yeah, he jumped before I set the hook.
He bit down on that. Probably stuck himself when he first hooked.
Yep. Yeah, because he was stuck right in the... There's more in there.
Little guy, I think. He he hit that, he followed it all the way out in the middle to me.
Huh. Well, if they all would hit like that, that'd be all right. Yeah, he stuck himself. Gotta get you on the board there, big fella.
What the hell, man? That ain't right. Been hit 6 times.
He's gonna bite. Okay, day number 3, same fish. See if we can get him today. I missed the spot, I think.
I went right by that rock.
Did he leave? Ooh, I don't like that cool breeze. I don't see why he wouldn't still be there.
Oh, he's up in there somewhere.
There's that. I'm too far to the left. I see that rock. Oh, come on, man. They're too deep in there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on up out of there. There we go, we got him back.
That breeze is still cold.
Yeah, it is. I was looking at that. Yeah, I don't think that fish is there today, man.
Sure shit don't seem like it.
Still amazed no fish came out of this tree over here.
Yeah, it's like deep over there. That's real weird, man. I'll be pushing too hard.
Oh, he's in there. He's in there. He's behind the rock tucked in. He thumped it too. Yeah. I hopped it right over that rock and he thumped it. What the hell was that? No, that was a splash back there. Something came up top. Yeah, something came up top right back there by that tree. Come on, dog. Show me something with that plopper. Show me something. A big ass rock right there. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't man. I'm not playing with. Whoa. Bombs away. That'd be a fun fight. You get one out there.
Yeah.
Playing around again. He is about right there too. Oh, we gotta get some action going here. Yep. Get one out this little pocket back here.
Oh, he missed. He's stuck in right there.
I missed it. I was facing that way. I might have got a little shot of that strike though. There he is. Stopped for some reason.
He's a fat one. Skunk outie. Trust that